This is Bob, a 39 days old chick who shits a lot. You might be thinking he enjoys his time alone. Oh, hold on. He's single by choice. Well, I assure you, it's not true. And here's why. Bob has two sisters, Becky and
My Shayla.
but they hate him. Why? Just because they're not his mom. So you think Bob might be lonely because he doesn't have anyone to play with him? Well, that's not true, because I've tried countless times to play with him. But Bob is just too scared of everything. And it all ends today because I'm going to get Bob a partner. I've been studying Bob for over 14 hours and I've learned a lot about him. He eats, eats, lie down, eats, sleeps.
A few moments later.
Among all these things, one stands out. He eats a lot, and they say the closest way to a man's heart might be through his stomach. And I've come up with a plan on building a machine that can hopefully win Bob's heart. Meet Ashley. She's a bed, and I'm going to make her in such a way that makes Bob comfortable, probably.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. Don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
After adding some feed into the tray, she looked good to go. It was finally time for the first test, and just as expected, he ran away. But she wasn't going to give up that easily because she only had one purpose, and one purpose alone: to win Bob's heart. So let's see if their time together will change Bob's mind.
A few moments later.
Still nothing. He wasn't even getting any closer to her. And just then I started wondering if perhaps Bob was not the problem. I mean, it might just be Ashley. But I had to be certain. So I brought Becky and to be sure. They both eat rice from the tree and it was clear that Bob was the problem. She did try to stop them from eating all of Bob's food, but she couldn't do it alone and Bob couldn't help either. I think he's actually hungry, so this is the perfect time to try it again. And this part is not actually working, it's just unfunctional. It's not functional, so I'm going to just leave it open and then put the feed. After managing to take his first bite, he climbed back up but soon returned, acting more aggressively. So I stepped inside for a while, and when I got back, Ashley no longer had a head. Bob was no longer the scared chick I once knew because he felt no remorse after killing Ashley, and the only thing he cared about was his next meal.
You killed her. Oh my god.
Ashley was not the most good looking robot out there, but she was efficient, and even if she can no longer serve Bob, she can still do some cool things. And besides, I don't think Bob ever deserved her.